Hi guys, I am Aniket Katkar. Today I am here to discuss with you the information about the technical topic, the introduction of the clinical data management. Basically, we'll start with the definition of the clinical data management. The clinical data management is the process of collecting, cleaning, and managing data generated during the clinical trials. It ensures that the data is accurate, reliable, and compliant with the regulatory standards. Next, we will discuss the first point, the importance of the CDM. In CDM, the data integrity is the most important part, which ensures the high quality data for regulating the submissions. Then, regulatory compliance, which meets the requirements from the agencies like the FDA and the EMA. Then, the decision making, which provides the clinical data for analyzing the efficacy and the safety of the interventions. Next, we will discuss about the key components of the clinical data management. The key components mainly involves first the data collection, then the data cleaning, data validation, and the last is the most important, the data management system. The data collection involves the methods of gathering data, means the electronic data capture EDC or paper CRFs. Then the data cleaning involves the identification and correcting the errors, ensuring the data consistency. Then the data validation, which is the process to verify that the data meets the predefined criteria. The data management system involves the software tools which is used for the data storage and analysis, means the example Oracle Argus software. The next we will discuss the fourth point, the process of the clinical data management. It majorly involves the important processes such as the study protocol development, the outlines the objective and the design of the clinical data and the clinical trials. Then the case reports forms, means the CRFs, the documents which are used to collect the data from the trial participants. The database setup means to designing the database to store the collected data. Data entry means inputting the data into the system either manually or automatically. The data review and cleaning involves the ongoing checks for the errors or inconsistencies. Statistical analysis involves the analysis the clean data to draw the conclusions. Then the reporting involves preparing the results for the regulatory submissions and the publications. These were the important processes of the CDM. Next, we will also discuss the major point, the challenges faced in the clinical data management. The first challenge is the data quality issues, means ensuring the accuracy amid varied data sources. Then the regulatory chances or the regulatory changes, adapting to regulations and the guidelines. The technological integration means the incorporating the new technologies into the existing systems. Then the resource means the allocation, balancing cost with the need for high quality data management. Next, we will discuss the future trends in the clinical data management. Increased use of the technology, advancements, and the AI and the machine learning for data analysis, the real world evidence, integrating data from real world setting into clinical research. Then the patient centric approaches means the engaging patients in the data collection through the mobile apps and the variables. Last, we will discuss the conclusion of the importance of the clinical data management. Summarize the significance of the CDM in ensuring that clinical trials are conducted effectively and that the resulting data can be transferred and trusted for the regulatory and clinical decision making. The tip for the effective presentation involves that use the visual aids, means the charts, graphs, to illustrate the data flow and the processes. Share the case studies or the examples to the highlight best practices in the CDM. Engage your audience with questions or discussions on the real world applications. This outline should provide a solid foundation for discussing the individual to the clinical data management, and let me know if you need more specific. This was the information about the importance of the clinical data management. Thank you guys.